for you a short summary video of our Improvers Solo Ballroom Cha-Cha practice routine number 5. This was taught over 2 sessions. The first one was the 2nd of May 22 and the second session was on the 27th of June 22. So if you're looking in the full video library on my website, you're looking for the full classes on the 2nd of May and the 27th of June 2022. So this is only a short summary recap. I'm going to call out the names of the moves, demonstrate them for you. As always with the YouTube, I cannot put the music on, so this will be without music. Okay, let's make a little start. I was dancing on the ladies' timing. So we had 3 basics, starting with the back right, and a cha-cha-cha, and a forwards rock, and a cha-cha-cha, back, rock, cha-cha-cha. I'm going to open with a basic opening to fan, forwards, open, cha-cha, back, close, forwards, cha-cha-cha. We walked onto the hockey stick, left, right, turn, cha-cha, back. I'm going to do a back rock here and a forward cha-cha in preparation for 1 bar of a natural top. Back, rock, cha-cha-cha. Left and right and cha-cha-cha. We're only doing 1 bar. 1 opening out on the right foot, opening out, and then I'm going to prepare for 1 bar of the reverse top. Preparation cha-cha, cross, open, cha-cha, close. So we took 1 bar of the natural top, 1 bar of the reverse top, and there's a bar preparation in between. Okay, let's do that again. So 3 basics, you can see me here, and rock, and cha-cha-cha, rock, and cha-cha-cha, rock, and off we go, forwards and cha-cha, back, close, forwards, cha-cha-cha, hockey stick, cha-cha, back, rock, and cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, open, out, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha, close. And I did overturn that a little bit. I wanted to have my body facing what would normally be my left wall. So my curtains are the front and the left wall over here. I'm going to do a there and back. So right foot underneath me, 2, left foot underneath me, 3. I'm going to cha-cha back on my right foot, cha-cha-cha, and the back rock is on my left foot. 2, 3, cha-cha, forwards. Now I'm going to do some Cuban breaks. 2 bars on my right foot, 2 bars on my left foot. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So I'm opening at the end of that second bar, ready to go onto the left foot. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and open. And then I did 2 spot turns at the end of this routine. So I took my right foot over to the wall, turn, I did a locking cha-cha to the other wall, turn, and then a side cha-cha to end so that I'd be facing the front. So just to recap, 3 basics, open to the fan, hockey stick, 1 bar preparation, 1 bar natural top, opening out bar, reverse top, 1 bar, there and back, and the Cuban breaks, 2 bars on each foot, and then 2 spot turns. I'm going to dance all of that, just calling the time in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 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 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. There we go, guys. Like I said, limitations on the YouTube restrictions there for putting the music on, as you know, but you can see all of that with music in the full playlist on my video library in my website. And if you're already there and you're watching this in the video library, then thank you so much for supporting me. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the little notification bell if you can, and then that helps YouTube know that people like to see my content, and we'll promote it to more people so they can enjoy the dancing. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.